Hey William, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured I'd show you a short video for you going over 3 things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use them for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first one is content. And so content is anything, all of the words that you have on your site that you can see, but that also includes what these photos were saved as before they were uploaded. Google does have the capability of seeing what's behind your photos here. And content is important because Google wants to see that you are providing value to your readers, as well as to see which keywords you have on your site. And so a keyword is anything that can be searched in the Google search bar. A good rule of thumb would be have at least 1,500 words on your site to be considered an authority with Google there. And so here's one example of a keyword here. So the basement waterproofing in your area. And so whenever your future customers are searching for this, the first thing that populates are ads. So there's 2 different kinds of ads here. There's Google Guaranteed as well as Google Ads. And so ads are definitely a great option that you can consider for yourself to get some more business there. But if we scroll down, this is what's called the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so I see that you are ranking in the top 3, and that is great because the top 3 get a lot of that, 30 to 40%. And so citations are really important for this area here. And what is a citation? I'll go take a deeper look at your Google business profile. That would be your business name, the address and phone number, as exactly as you have it in your Google business profile, and other places like Yelp. And so you want to have more citations in your local directories than your competitors here. And so that would be one way that you completely maintain staying up here and then having your share of that 30 to 40% of business. And if we scroll down here, this is what's called the organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking. And backlinks have a huge role in ranking your website. And so we can see here, we're at the bottom of the first page. We can see some more ads here. Over 90% of people will stay on the first page here, so it is very important to be on the first page as high up as possible so that you can get your share of that 60 to 70%. So something that we can do is we can plug in your website into Ahrefs, and we can pull up ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. You have 38 and 8. And what's making up your ratings here are the 2.28 thousand backlinks that you have, and these backlinks are coming from 311 referring domains. So a backlink is one website linking to another, like a shout out. And so you want to have good quality backlinks here so that these numbers are boosting, because there are spammy backlinks that will drop these numbers here. So we would want to be intentional there. And then I see that you have 713 keywords on your site. And so it's good to have buyer intent keywords on your site so that you can qualify your leads from the beginning. And then you have 129 monthly traffic to your website. And so what's really cool about this is we can do the same exact thing with your competitors. So I plugged in Great Lakes Waterproofing, and we can see that they have 32 and 11. What makes up their ratings here are just over 1,200 backlinks from 139 referring domains with 1,100 keywords on their site with just under 1,000 monthly traffic. So we would want your UR and your DR higher than all of your competitors to boost you to the top of that Google search result, as well as making sure you have those buyer intent keywords that apply to you on your website. So what we can do here is we can go in and take a look at all of your competitors' backlinks and then have those linking to your website as well, because if it is working for them to rank, it would work for you. And we could do the same thing with the keywords. We can see what good buyer intent keywords they are ranking for to make sure that you have those on your site. But we would also want to do a separate search as well, just in case they are missing any of those buyer intent keywords. And with those two things together, you can be ranking at the top of Google for what you would want to be found for. Because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would be converting into your customers there. And so I hope that this video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.